Morning, everyone. How are you today, class? So I am glad that you're all fine. Before we start, let us first have our prayer. And may I request everyone to please stand. And Ashley, please lead us the prayer. Thank you, everyone. You may now take your seats. Checking with attendance. Please say present if I call your name. Ashley, Savannah, Janea. So very good, class. All of you are present. So before we proceed, may I know if you could still remember the things that you need to do during our class discussion? Yes, Ashley. Very good. Raise your hand if you want to answer. How about you, Janea? Very good. Listen to the teacher attentively. So before we proceed, may I know if you could still remember our topic class meeting? Yes, Janea. Very good. Our topic class meeting was all about the methods of cooking. And what are those methods of cooking? Yes, Ashley. Very good. Those are baking, grilling, and steaming. Plus, I have here an activity. And I have here a different pictures and you are going to identify, name, and place it on the board. So, look at number 1. Yes, Miles. Very good. A chopping board. How about picture number 2? Yes, Ashley. A spoon and fork. Very good. How about picture number 3? Yes, Savannah. A mixing bowl. Very good. Last picture. Yes, Janea. Spatula. Very good. So class, based on the activity that we have, what do you think is our topic? Yes, Janea. Very good. Our topic today is all about kitchen utensils that is commonly found in our kitchen. Allow me to present to you the kitchen utensils that is commonly found in our kitchen. So class, what can you see in the picture? Very good. It is a chopping board. So chopping board is a durable board in which we place materials for cutting. Like for example, meats, fruits, and vegetables. What can you see in the picture? A knife. Very good. So, knife is used for cutting such as meat and vegetables. Can you see in this picture? Very good. A mixing bowl. So, mixing bowl is a round dish or container typically used to prepare and serve. Next picture, class. Very good. A spatula. So spatula is used for blending foods or removing them from cooking materials. This is spoon. Very good. So spoon are used in many things in the kitchen, including eating, cooking. Do you have any questions or clarifications? No? Very good. So, since you already know and understand our lessons, can you please name some kitchen utensils that is commonly found in our kitchen? Yes, Savannah. Very good. Colander and peeler. How about you, Ashley? Very good. A mixing bowl, knife, and chopping board. Yes, Janea. Grater. Very good. So let's give yourselves a round of applause. So class, what do you think is the importance of kitchen utensils in our everyday kitchen activity? Yes, Janea? Very good. So it is a great help in maintaining the cleanliness and orderliness, and it also enhances the speed of cooking process and make the serving of the food better procedure in our kitchen. So, why is it important to know the kitchen utensils that is commonly found in our kitchen? Yes, Ashley. Very good. So, it is important because It makes our work easier and faster. So, how important is using the correct kitchen utensils? Yes, Miles. So, it is important to know the So, how important is using the correct kitchen utensils? Yes, Miles. Very good. So, it is important to know the correct kitchen utensils because it makes our cooking process more efficient and safer. So class, I have here an activity and you are going to make a role play. I will going to give you 3 minutes to prepare your role play. Group 1, you may now present your role play in front. Very good, Group 1. Next, Group 2. Next, Group 3. Very good. So all of you got a highest score. So let's give yourselves a round of applause. Since you already our lesson today, please get 1/4 sheet of pad paper, all your papers in front. Very good, class. All of you got a perfect score. Class, for your assignment, on a one whole sheet of pad paper, write your answer for the following questions. First is, what are your favorite kitchen utensils and why? Thank you everyone for listening and participating. Thank you and goodbye, class.